This place is disgusting with all the rat poop, the rat urine, mold, and everything in this house. We've got to get it all down to the frame, spray it down, and really sanitize this place. We've finally gotten it down to the frame, but we still have to get into this ceiling. See that? Pretty sure that's black mold. That's some sort of mold. That's why we're getting everything out of here. Should have brought a step stool. This sucks. Ran into an issue. I guess it's a good thing we're doing this. I found a truss that is broken. So that's not good. You can see all this like black mold looking stuff. I don't know what that is. So when I was getting up in the middle of there, I bent the hammer down to pop it up. I didn't realize there was a bunch of nails sticking out through the siding. So it got me pretty good. Ooh. A little rough, huh? It's not bad though. It'll be fine. I dislike this thing a lot. If you have long hair, be careful with those. I need to get some goggles, especially before we blow this place out. The heck is touching me? So, I don't want to keep stepping on tools, doing all this. So I'm gonna finish out this part, get it somewhat cleaned up. Then we can move the tools over there and we can knock the rest of it out. I really need goggles for this. I don't know if I can keep doing this. I might have to call it for today. I really didn't make much progress. That makes me sad. This is a lot. I guess stick around for part 2. I got to get this video up this week. In the next episode, we'll get the rest of this down. Try to post it this week so we can have something different next week. Hopefully we can be starting the floors finally, because we really need to do that. I do want to post this in 2 parts, mainly because I don't know what I'm doing. So hopefully someone watches this episode and they can tell me what to do. If you're watching, please tell me a better way to take these paneling, all this roof paneling down. I'd really appreciate it. We'll be back next week. I got to get some goggles. My eyes hurt so bad. So, goggles, respirator. We're coming back better than ever. Skylar will be back next week for the floors and for everything else. I don't really want him in here cleaning. It's really gross and bad. So, thank you guys. See you on the next one.